What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's gonna be a grocery haul. I am headed out the door to Trader Joe's to pick up some holiday items, see what they have for Christmas, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's head over to Trader Joe's and see what holiday finds they have. I know around this time they usually have some goodies, and I'm definitely trying to pick up the little Grinch tree. I get one every year, so I'm gonna head over and see if my local Trader Joe's has one. Hopefully they do. So let's get to it. I made it back, went to Trader Joe's, picked up a few things. Some of the holiday seasonal items that I were looking for, my local Trader Joe's did not have, so that was a little disappointing, but I did pick up a couple goodies, and most of these I have never tried before. So I'm really excited to share these with you and try them for the first time as well. So let's just jump right into these bags and see what I got. I was happy to find the Grinch Tree, the famous Grinch Tree. They had them. I've gotten these for like 4 years now, so I was very excited, and I got them right on time because there was only a handful left. So many people surrounded the table. Did manage to get one, so I'm very excited that I was able to pick that up. Then we also got the Decorate Your Own Holiday Ornament Cookie Kit. The kit includes 8 baked cookies, icing, and cute little candy sprinkles, so I am excited for that. In the past years, on Christmas Eve, I have baked my own sugar cookies and we have decorated them, but I thought that this would just be a head start for me and just give me a hand in the kitchen, so I don't even have to bake anything. We would just decorate these this year. Then we also picked up the cookie mug hangers. These are so cute. They are crunchy spice cookies designed to fit on the rim of your mug. So they're like little gingerbread cookies, and they just go on the side of your coffee mug, and they just hang out there and you could dip them. Thought that was really cute. I'm excited to try these with the girls because during the holidays they love hot cocoa, so I thought this would be perfect to just have on their mug as well. Then I got these little corn dippers that we always get. These are great for the salsa, and I ended up getting some apple juice. I was out of spiced paprika. I went to cook something the other day and realized I was out, and I was like, oh my gosh, like how did I even let that happen? How am I out of paprika? Like that's a staple in my pantry. So I got some more of that. Then I also got some more of the raw almond butter. I use this raw almond butter when I am beefing up my smoothies. Sometimes I do smoothies as like a meal replacement, and I would add about a tablespoon of raw almond butter to that. I didn't get a lot of the berries there because they just weren't looking all that great, and I didn't pick up that many vegetables because I still have quite a few vegetables in my garden that I'm working on right now. I have a ton of beets, and I have a ton of radishes, and I have some broccoli heads out there, and I also have some kohlrabi. So I wanted us to eat on those first before I buy. You know, I don't want to have too many vegetables when we already have stuff out in our garden. I'm gonna bring you guys out there in a minute to show you my broccoli. So I did pick up some bananas, a couple of these little chomp beef sticks. My daughter likes to take these for snack to lunch sometimes. Then I also picked up a pineapple, some green apples, some red gala apple, and a watermelon. Along with the hot cocoa, I ended up picking up these mini marshmallows. These are peppermint. So I thought that these would go great along with the hot cocoa. I think this is going to be the perfect addition for the girls' hot cocoa. Then I also got another one of these. I'm so excited about this. This is the handcrafted felt wool Garland. It is 9 foot, 100% New Zealand wool. I got one of these about 2 years ago and I used it in my bedroom because in my bedroom I do the bright, very merry and bright. That's what I do in my bedroom. And I had one of these last year and I used it for my Christmas decorations in my bedroom. So I wanted another one because this year I want to have this one around the tree that's in my bedroom. I have about a 7 foot pencil skirt tree in my bedroom and I was going to add this. I thought I had to get another one when I saw it. Now, if you're familiar with Trader Joe's, you know that they have the brookies. The brookies are the bomb. So the brookies at Trader Joe's are the bomb. It's just exactly what it sounds like. It is a cookie plus brownie. Then in fall, they do the pumpkin blondies. Those were amazing. So I had to try these. Never had these before. This is going to be a first. And this is the peppermint brownies with white chocolate chips and white ganache drizzle. These look the bomb. Very excited to try these. Then I did get some more lemons. And in the cooler bag, some Greek whole milk plain yogurt. I also use this when I'm making my smoothie. Now I do this when I'm only going to be using it as like a meal replacement. So I'll add this and this. I always get the whole milk yogurt. Then of course I had to stock up on my coconut waters. I love their coconut waters. Now these are the perishable ones. I don't buy the coconut water that they keep on the shelf. I only buy the pink coconut water. These are organic coconut waters. They are not from concentrate and they are perishable and they must be refrigerated. So I picked up about 6 of these. I love these for smoothies. I usually, when I'm making a smoothie as a meal replacement, I will usually use like some type of nut milk. I'll use like a coconut milk or an almond milk. Usually I make it myself just to avoid all those fillers and additives. So I didn't purchase any of that today because I'm planning to make my own almond milk. But I will make my smoothies with coconut water sometimes. And then my girls just enjoy drinking this as just like a regular beverage. And one thing for us moms is this is a great for electrolytes. So if your kid has been like dehydrated, maybe been ill and been vomiting for some reason, I like to use this to get those electrolytes back in versus having something like Pedialyte. This is like my go-to, so I keep these on hand for my girls. They drink it, they love it, and I love it as well. So I did pick up some asparagus and some zucchini, and then this is gonna be a first for me along with the candy cane, you know, big candy cane theme right now. This is the candy cane JoJo's ice cream. It's peppermint and vanilla swirled with fudge and chunks of candy canes and JoJo cookies. So you know JoJo cookies are Trader Joe's versions of like Oreo. So right now they have the JoJo peppermint and that is what is mixed into this. So I like that it's just a small container so we can try it. This is a first for my family. I'm pretty sure my girls are gonna love this, so I'm excited to have that. Then I got the coconut whipped topping that I always get, and I got the girls some yogurt as well. I got a steak, organic grass-fed sirloin steak. I got some chicken wings, some cheese, and I also got the turkey cutlets. I love these turkey cutlets, you guys. When I'm missing a good old pork chop, I just do the turkey cutlet and it is the bomb. And then I got some ground beef. This is extra lean ground beef and I got some salsa. So that is it for today's grocery haul from Trader Joe's. I'm going to be getting a few more items from Whole Foods. Because like I said, the berries weren't looking the best at Trader Joe's today. So this week when I'm going to gymnastics for Ava, I'll just stop over at the Whole Foods that is near her gymnastics class, and I will get some greens and a couple of things from there. But majority of the vegetables I'm going to be eating from my garden, so I didn't pick up that many today. But I'm excited about the holiday seasonal things that we got, and most of all, the main thing, star of the show, was this Grinch tree. So excited that I was able to pick this up. So yes, these are like a lot of my favorites from Trader Joe's. These are like my staples. I get a lot of these on repeat every week most of the time. So Thanks for hanging out with us and shopping today. Hopefully you get out and try some of these seasonal items, and meet me down in the comments and let me know if you've had these things before, if they're new to you, and what are your thoughts on them. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Please don't forget to help me out and click that like button and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.